Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply any effect like smoke, fire or lighting using stock footage to your video. If you haven't watched my previous YouTube Shorts videos that I uploaded last week, here's the preview. If you take a look at the end of the video, you can see steam coming up from this cup of coffee. So the steam is not real, it's just a smoke effect that I applied to this video. I'm using free stock footage that I download from Mixkit. So I'm going to show you step by step of how I apply this effect to my video. I'll put the link to download this free smoke footage in the description. If you want to download it and follow along with me from the start, just click on the link in the description. And I'm using HitFilm Express, but you can use any video editing software that you want. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. So first, create a new project and import your file. Okay, so the scene at the end of the video is not a video, it's actually a photo that I took. I just add the smoke effect and scale motion to make it alive, to make it looks real and cinematic. I will show you how later in this video. Okay, and then put the smoke effect on the top of the video that you want to apply. And then I'm going to reduce this photo scale because it's too big. Okay, then align the smoke effect. I will reduce the scale as well. And I will put it here. Then change the blend mode from normal to screen. And it will look like this. Next, I'm going to mask the edges. Okay, so it will look like the steam is coming up from this cup of coffee. So I'm going to use this freehand mask tool and create a mask around this cup of coffee. Okay, after that we're almost done. We just need to make the edges smoother. So click on this little arrow on mask and go to shape. Then set the feather strength to around 150 to 200. I'm going to set it to 180. Don't set it too high because then you can see the edges of the smoke effect. And then set the roundness to around 100. And here's the result. Okay, it looks good, but the smoke is too much visible, so I'm going to reduce the opacity to around 30%. Okay, so this is the final result. As you can see, the smoke makes this cup of coffee, this photo looks more alive. Okay, then I'm going to apply scale motion to this photo. Okay, and here we go. Now it looks alive, more real and cinematic. As you can see, I just need to apply color grading to this video. And so that was how to apply smoke effect to your video. If you want to apply any effect, basically you just need to change the blend mode from normal to screen. That's all. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learned something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.